In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist as a habit tracker. Todoist is a versatile app that can help you organize your tasks, but did you know it can also be an effective tool for tracking and building new habits? Let's dive in and see how you can set up Todoist to help you maintain consistent habits. First things first, you'll need to make sure you're logged into your Todoist account. If you haven't logged in for a while or this is your first time, simply navigate to the Todoist login page. Here you will enter your email address and password, then click the login button to access your Todoist dashboard. If you're on the lookout for the login page, it's pretty straightforward to find on the Todoist website. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate directly to your Today view. This view shows you all the tasks and activities you've planned for the current day. It's the perfect starting point for integrating new habits into your daily routine. Alright, now that we're on the Today page, let's personalize your Todoist experience. Click on your profile icon, which should take you to a drop-down menu where you'll find and select Settings. This area is the command center for customizing your Todoist account and ensuring it fits your workflow perfectly. Within the Settings menu, you'll want to find the Integrations tab. This tab is key because it allows you to connect Todoist with other apps and tools, including habit tracking functionalities. Once you're in the integration settings, click on Browse to explore the various integrations available to you. Look for the Habit Tracker integration. This integration is specifically designed to help you keep track of your habits directly within Todoist. Once you've found it, click on the Habit Tracker to get more information about how it works and what it offers. To add the Habit Tracker integration to your Todoist, you'll see an Add button. Click it and a confirmation dialog will likely appear, reassuring you that you wish to proceed with adding this integration. Go ahead and confirm by clicking the respective button. This action signifies that you're committing to tracking your habits within Todoist, leveraging this integration to keep your new behaviors on track. Now, the habit tracker is part of your Todoist toolset. It's time to put it to good use. Choose a task that you want to start tracking as a habit. This task could be anything from drink water to read for 20 minutes. Select the task by clicking on it, which will bring you to its details page. On this page, look for the three dots or the More Options menu typically found in the top corner of the task's detail view. Clicking on this will bring up several options related to the task, including Track Habit. This new option is available because you've integrated the Habit Tracker. Click on Track Habit to start tracking this task as a part of your daily, weekly, or monthly habits. Next, a crucial step is authorization. Since you're integrating a third-party tool within Todoist, you'll be prompted to authenticate or allow the habit tracker to access your Todoist data. This step ensures that the tracking is seamless and that your data remains secure. Click on Authenticate, and then you'll likely need to agree to some permissions. This agreement is standard for integrations, allowing habit tracker to work effectively within your Todoist environment. After you've given the necessary permissions, you may see an Already Done button. This feature is incredibly useful for habits you might have completed before setting up the tracker for the day. It also serves as an immediate gratification for adding your habit tracker, allowing you to log a successful habit completion right away. Finally, you'll have an option to Track Task. This is where the rubber meets the road. By clicking this, you begin the habit tracking proper, setting your intentions and commitments in motion. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a habit tracker within Todoist. This setup not only helps in organizing your tasks, but also in aligning your daily actions with your long-term goals. Tracking your habits can seem daunting at first, but with Todoist's habit tracker integration, you're well on your way to building and maintaining healthy and productive habits. Remember, the key is consistency, so keep at it every day, and soon enough these habits will become second nature. Thank you for joining me in learning how to use the Todoist habit tracker. Here's to your success in building better habits.